cultural identity.
Meghalaya Agriculture Minister Dr. Ampreen Lingdo has advised the children of farmers to help their farmer parents in farming, failing which it will be difficult for the farmers in the state to cope up with the emerging technology. Speaking at a stakeholder consultation workshop on unlocking opportunities in Meghalaya, she said while talking about the organic revolution in the state, that as of today, 24,000 hectares of land are organic certified, as even farmers are now understanding the value of organic farming.
Principal Scientist, National Botanic. Good morning.
Children of farmers should go back to help their farmer parents. Otherwise, it's going to be difficult. We have a very old-fashioned concept of farming in the state of Meghalaya. We need to change that. And it is people who will change. Concepts are changed by people, players in the farming sector. Government cannot come from the outside and change the mindset of farmers.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous